What is up, guys? Today we have a FIFA mobile pack opening. So since we have a lot of coins, I'm gonna say we're gonna open. How about we do this? We're gonna oh my god, this is taking forever. Alright, we're gonna open. Let me find it. A top transfers pack, which guarantees 10 top transfers players or tokens, 10 gold or better players, one of those, and then we're also going to open 3 FIFA mobile packs. So let's start with these just to get these out of the way. We got, we pulled in a lead on the first pack. That's pretty good. 80 Bodmer. Next we pull 3 golds. What the heck? That's good. We just got 3 golds in a FIFA mobile pack. That's never happened to me before. And then we pull 2 golds. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, now moving on to the big pack. Now we're moving on to the top transfers pack. I've been waiting to open this pack as soon as it came out. Alright, I'm opening it. Let's go. Pray for some high cards. What do we get? Transfer collectible. Gold. Gold. Contract. Transfer. Contract. 2 golds. 2 more golds. Transfer. Let's go over here. Transfer. 2 golds. Contract gold. Elite